one of the biggest ThredUp hauls to date. They had a sale. I had gift cards. So let's open this up and I can show you everything that I got. I'm so excited. Welcome to one of the biggest ThredUp hauls to date. I had a lot of gift cards and there was a big sale happening over the holidays, so I decided to freshen up my closet. Let's open this together. I had already tried to condense it into one big box, so I do know what's in here and I've seen some of it, but I want to show you because I'm so excited to open this, and then obviously I need to do a try on, so let's get to it. There's a lot of different brands in here. Some of these are my go-tos and some of them are new. So let's start with this pair of pants here. So these are by Princess Polly. I have these in a few colors. I saw my size. This is a US 4. They are the faux leather pants. They're in cream. I absolutely love them and they fit me so well in the other colors. I already have dark brown and black, so I figured I would get a pair in a color that I don't have. Next up, this set I'm going to show you I love. So it's by the brand Song of Style by Amy Song. This is the top. It's a ribbed top. It has this beautiful, almost bamboo-like ring here, and then these two straps will wrap around the waist. This is ribbed. It's like double lined. I absolutely love this. And then there's a matching skirt. So right here is the skirt. It has the same ring on it. Again, ribbed material, double lined. I think it is so pretty, and when I saw this set, I definitely wanted to add that to my cart. Next, so this is part of a set. These are pinstriped pants by Danielle Bernstein by We Wore What. So these are a size 2. They are wide-legged. I love the look of them. I have this thing for matching sets, and then also I've been wanting to do pinstripes for a while. I found this blazer. It matches the pants. This one's new with tags. This is an extra small. Now, one thing I did notice though is that you can tell the pants and the jacket are not from the same seller. The pants definitely have more of a look of wear on them, but they're still in really good condition. But this is definitely brand new. So I'm going to be putting this together as a pair. Sometimes you can find matching sets on ThredUp, which always makes me so excited, because usually the set will be in the same condition, like the top and the bottom or whatever the set might be. But in this case, I was able to still find a set even though it came from 2 different sellers. So I'm really excited about that. I've been a ThredUp ambassador for a while now, and honestly, like, I had already been shopping there for a long time before I became an ambassador. I just find that it's really easy and convenient to thrift online. Right here, these are by Princess Polly. Some faux leather pants. These ones are shinier than the other pair I showed you. I don't have a pair like this from Princess Polly. They are wide leg, which I love. I just prefer wide leg these days. This coat I'm so excited about, like really excited about. So this is by Playboy. It's like a corduroy coat. It has the logo, a little bunny. This is an extra small. It's originally from their collection at PacSun. That's the back. It's an oversized fit. It has a little bit of like a nice quilted interior. I'm so excited to wear this. It's so cute. Now, in here are some pieces that I was putting together for a little Barbie haul. I watched the Barbie movie. So these I need to clean a little bit. I thought that these sunglasses from Key, Australia were so cute. I love them. They have little cat eye and then the hot pink at the tips. This one was listed wrong, so I need to make a decision. It's brand new with tags from Naked Wardrobe. I love their clothes, and this I thought was so different. It was listed as a dress, but it's actually a jumpsuit, so I need to try it on and see if I like the way that it fits. I'm not sure. It's sheer lace, brand new with tags. I'm usually a size medium in Naked Wardrobe. I personally have just found that their sizes run small for me. I know other people I've read, it says that they order the same size, but I've never been able to get into a small, let alone an extra small at Naked Wardrobe. I'm not sure why. I just thought this was super cute. I'm not even sure what brand it is. Sugar Thrills. Again, this was on my Barbie vibe, so get ready for Barbie outfits. This is by Opolly. It's a little mini dress. This one has a few little, it's not ripped, but the stitching's coming out a little bit at the top, so I'm gonna need to fix that. This dress is so pretty. It's by Zara. It's brand new. I love the ribbed material. I love the shape of it. It's in like amazing condition. I love it. I'm gonna go out of order for a second. I got these also by Zara to match. I thought that these were so fun, and they're in excellent condition. This is, I just thought it was super cute, by Urban Outfitters. It's just a cute little top. New at tags. This is so fun and so Barbie. So it's by Nookie. It has these poofy sleeves, and then it's a crop top, a little clip in the back, brand new. This one, don't ask me why. I had been looking at it for a while and it was still there and on sale. It's from Fashion Nova. It has a cutout on the side and then this look here. So it looks like that's supposed to be your bikini line, but I thought it was just really cute, so I need to try that on. This one I have mixed feelings about. I thought it was cute. It kind of came in very boxy-like though, so if it fits, I'm gonna need to put a belt on it, I think. But it's supposed to be like a strapless vest deal going on here. One of my favorite brands. I'm actually saying it's one of my favorites. I really should learn how to pronounce it. Danielle Guzio? I'm not sure. I'm going to have to check that. Sorry. I found this tank top brand new with tags. So cute. This actually, someone sent it in from the Real, but I got it on sale. This is a medium, I think. I want to say that was the size I got. Sorry, a small. There must be something else incoming from her brand that is a medium. Okay, these shoes, like I can't get enough of this right now. These are originally by Zara. I thought that these were beautiful, and I don't know why they were in consignment because I could never part with shoes this beautiful. I love them. They're a size 38. I'm usually a size 8 in US. This is so cute, and I'm so sorry to somebody wanted to get the set and I messed it up for you, but this is the top. The bottoms were in an extra small and there's no way I was gonna get my butt inside those, so I grabbed the top while it was there because I just thought this was so cute and I can't wait to wear it. Again, this was another set that I separated because my butt was never going to fit in an extra small, especially it's not that stretchy. This is by White Fox, so it ties in the front and then we have feathers. So excited. This is a corset top by Princess Polly. There's the front. It laces up in the back. And then shoes. Again, I was on my Barbie vibe. Topshop, super cute. These Steve Madden wedges, they are light pink. These are some chunky wedges by Sam Edelman. So cute. These are like these fun platforms. I felt like I could also do a Wednesday look with them as well. These were by Forever 21. And the last pair in this massive box is Lulu's. Again, I've been looking at these for a while. I just thought they were so fun on the back. I had to grab them. So they're these cute little sandals. This is everything that was in this box. I'm so excited to try it all on. Thank you for watching, and comment some of your favorites. I can't wait to style all of these pieces.